Good morning, student. So, today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 11, time. You had earlier learned about the time, but in this chapter you have to know about the time in a different way. It is very easy. So, first of all, we have to know what is AM and what is PM. You have to know what is the full form of AM and what is the full form of PM. So full form of AM is ante-meridian. That means before midday. Time between midnight and noon. The time between 12 o'clock at the night up to 12 o'clock in the afternoon is known as the AM. Okay. Now second one is PM, that is post meridian after midday. That means the time between noon and midnight. The time which is between noon and to the midnight is known as the PM. Okay. So PM means the time between noon and midnight. That means the time between the afternoon at 12 o'clock to night 12 o'clock. That is called as the PM. Here time between midnight and noon is AM and time between noon and midnight is PM. And the full form of AM and PM is written. AM full form ante-meridian, PM full form post-meridian. Now come to know about the 24-hour clock time. Listen, 24-hour clock time are generally used in airport, railway station, and nothing, not in any place. In every place we use 12-hour clock time, but especially in airport and railway you see there is 12-hour clock, 24-hour clock time. Okay, 12-hour clock system can cause confusion if the time is not followed by AM or PM. The 24-hour clock time give correct time. In this system the time of the day is given as HMM, where HH stand for hour and past midnight and MM stand for the number of minutes past that hour. For example, the day start at midnight, which is 000 hour. So if the timing is, you see, if you are seeing that in the railway timetable it is given that 0015 hour, that means 15 minutes past midnight or 12:15. It means that the time is going at 12:15. If it is written 12:15 hours, that means 15 minutes past noon, that is 12:15 PM. You have to see the AM and PM. 13:00 hour, that means 1 o'clock PM. 18:30 hour, that means 6:30 or 6:30 PM. This is a chart of 24-hour clock time. First of all, if the timing is, this is the 00 na, this is 12 o'clock at the midnight. 1 AM 100, 2 AM 0200, 3 AM 0300, 4 AM 0400. This is for AM, it will be that 7 AM 700, 8 AM 080, 9 AM 0900 up to 12. Especially for AM the timing will be like that. But after 12 o'clock in the noon the timing will be 1 PM. But in 24-hour clock time we write it 13:00. For 2 14:00. You see this timetable in the railway and in the airways, especially they are in the railways and airways, and nothing anywhere you can see that. 4 PM 16:00, 5 PM 17:00, 6 PM 18:00. So this is 12-hour clock time and this is 24-hour clock time. So you have to learn that. This is very important. Okay, you can see that at 12 midnight it is 000, but as the 12 midnight pass then it will be 1 AM, then it will be 0100. But you see 12 midnight and it will be 00. This is 12-hour clock time and this is 24-hour clock time. So it is very important, otherwise you can't able to understand it. Converting 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time. It is very easy. To convert the AM time to 24-hour clock time, we write the hour as 2-digit number and remove the colon. For example, 2 AM In the 12-hour clock time, it is written as 0200 hour. In the 24-hour clock time, it is written as. To convert the PM time to 24-hour clock time, we add 12 to the hour. For example, 2 PM in the 12-hour clock time is written as 14 hour in the clock, because 12 is 00 and 1 PM is, it is the 12 PM, so it is 12 midnight, then it will be 13, then it will be 40. So this is a chart you have to learn. This is very important. Okay, so here are some example of converting, how to convert the 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time and 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. So you have to learn this chart. This is very important chart. Okay, so your duty is to read this chapter and try to understand how to convert 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time. You have to learn this chart, then only you can convert the 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time and 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. Okay, rest we will discuss in next video. Thank you.